Greetings everybody, Connor McLean here, and here's my cover letters presentation. For this, I reference my father, who's a fire chief in Fort Collins, and he has a big role in the hiring process, interviewing candidates, ranking the individuals, determining who they are going to hire, things like that. My stepmom, who's a microbiology professor at CSU, so she does a lot of research and work with grad students, so she's got a big say in who they add to the team. Then my fiance, who's a school teacher and administrative assistant for the school that she works at here in Germany, so she does a lot with hiring new individuals. They provided a lot of good information. It was hard to make a list of just 5 things, but these were the ones that I narrowed it down to. So first is communicate why you're a good candidate, as well as coupling that with a direct opening. So communicating your skills, communicating who you are, and hooking them from the beginning. And then when you are describing your skills and your abilities, don't forget to provide examples and experiences. So it's okay to say, yeah, I'm good at these things, these are my skills, but what have you done? And give some examples to prove and show that you're capable of these abilities. Also, don't forget to humanize yourself. These companies, all companies get so many applicants to positions. You don't just want to be a copy and paste application where you're just saying the standard stuff. So humanize yourself. Say, this is why I really like your company. This is who I am, and this is why we would be a good team. This is why I'd be a good fit. Finally, grammar. Write polite, write formal, use proper English, don't say cuz, things like that. Spell out everything, and then make sure you do your spell check. And yeah, that was the list that I put together for this assignment.